Hi, my name is Iker. I'm 11 years old. My birthday is on the 27th of May. I'm a Gemini. My hobby is playing handball. My favorite subject at the school is PE. I got 3 cats at home. There are female cats. The cats eat special cat food. They live at home. I play with them and I feed the cats.
Hello, my name is Urko. I'm 10 years old. My birthday is on the 19th of December. I'm a Sagittarius. My hobby is playing football. My favorite subject at the school is PE. I got a parrot at home. My parrot is male parrot. My parrot eats everything. Parrot lives in a cage and I clean the cage.